All right, hashtag JRideReviews family. We are going to do a review slightly different. It's nighttime, out and about, as y'all might be able to tell. We're going to look at the interior of this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. Just wanted to do a night POV of the interior. Let's check it out. I'm going to sit up here in the front seat, go over what I see in the instrumentation. Then I'm gonna hop back there in the back 2 rows as well and see what I see. Y'all hang tight. Nighttime is the right time. We do it all on hashtag JRideReviews. Join the family. All right, hashtag JRideReviews family. We are in the interior of this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. And first things first, the operation is very quiet until the gas engine kicks in. So I was out here doing my preview video for about 5 minutes or so, and there was no noise coming from the engine because the hybrid system was activated, and now it just fired up, so you'll hear a little noise from the engine. But let's go over the instrumentation, all the features in here, and go from there. So right here on the left side of the steering wheel, you have various menu options that you can go through for the screen setup. Right here in the center, as you can see, the hybrid engine just shut off. All kind of goodness here. There's hybrid information, tire pressures, adaptive cruise control, and lane sense. All kind of goodies there. Trip computer. You got your audio settings right there in the center. Auto emergency braking. You can turn those off and on. And then obviously the speedometer. Then right down here you also have your Bluetooth. So it does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the infotainment screen there. Over here on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your adaptive cruise control and emergency braking system right here at the bottom. Cruise control here. Nice airbag covering here. Very nice touches. Got the Chrysler emblem running across there. Let's take a look at this instrumentation here. So let me back up just enough where you can see. Over on the far left is the hybrid system stuff. So right there, it'll tell you when it's ready and all the charge and all that good stuff. Right there in the center, you have the power of the battery. And then over here on the right side, you have the total fuel mileage or gas miles that you're going to get right now. With a full tank of gas, it's looking at 417 miles to a full tank, if y'all can see that. So that's a nice touch there. It is a manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel. So you can change that by pulling on the lever right here on the left side. You do have your headlight controls down here, which are full LED. And you do have LED fog lights to go with it. So you just press the button right there for the LED fog lights. If you go out front, you'll notice that this thing also has LED daytime running light, which is very nice. LED turn signals. And in the rear, it also has LEDs all the way around. So right here in the center stack, you have the infamous turn dial transmission selector. Some people like it, hate it, or love it. The underdog's on top. Don't copyright me, YouTube. You got your electronic parking brake right here. You do have your lane departure feature here. Right here is your park sensors, traction control off. If you would like that, you have a mute for the radio screen. You can turn the screen off if you would like. You got your hazard blinkers, and then you have your dual zone climate control right here. So both sides you can adjust. You do have your rear and front defrost, nice touches all the way around. Right around here, one thing that always gets me is this gloss black. So you always I would keep a microfiber cloth with you because you're always gonna get fingerprints right here. I do like the design here, this nice swoop design right here. You do have some charging ports right here, USB-C, regular USB. Down here, a nice storage cubby, more charging ports. And then you got your old school cigarette lighter right there. Nice touches right there. Press that, you got a nice little storage bin, change dispenser right there where you can put your quarters and nickels and dimes in there and keep them separated. Down at the bottom, you do have more storage trays down there. Nice deep tray. It's got a nice rubber mat in there. I like that. We come here to the center. You do have more storage. You pull that back, not too much, not too deep, but more storage. That's a good thing. Dual cup holders right here. I love these leather seats here. They are heated. I'm gonna check and make sure if they are cooled here in a second. I like the two-tone door panels. It looks really good, two-tone throughout. You do have a pretty good glove box. I was looking in there to make sure that there is a what year this was. The reason why I was saying that, this is a rental. So whenever hashtag JRideReviews gets any kind of vehicles at any point, we want to do reviews on them. It's just the way it is. I love doing what I do, and I love bringing this stuff to you. The steering wheel has nice contrast stitching, nice 10-2 grip, thick bolstered. Steering wheel looks like the one off of the 300Cs, which is a nice steering wheel in that vehicle. You do have contrast stitching across the dash, if y'all can see that. Nice soft touch materials up top. As you can see, the LEDs here at night are very bright out there. I'm gonna hit the fog light so you can see. Just look over to the sides a little bit and you'll see where the fog lights come on. They're right directly in front of the vehicle, so that's a nice touch as well. You do have a typical old school day-night mirror, LED lighting throughout. Now right here, here's a button where you can open up the rear second doors right there. It is a power lift gate as well. Nice touches all the way around. We'll go over that here in a second. Sunglass holder, nice touches. Like I said, throughout the cabin, LED lighting everywhere, which is very, very nice. Really like what Chrysler has done. They have been the king of minivans, Chrysler and Dodge, for a long time, from the old school cab forward designs back in the 80s and 90s all the way to now. And it's a rebadge or renamed the Pacifica. But remember the old town and countries back in the day? It's basically what it is. So another thoughtful touch there, you have this nice little small window right there for good visibility out. You do have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors outside there, the side view mirrors. I'll roll the window down real quick. So there is blind spot monitoring there. The front two windows here are automatic up and down. The rear windows are not. Door lock controls, mirror controls. Once again, the door panels have nice soft touch materials everywhere. Contrast stitching. Here's where your fuel door is, which is a kind of different spot for it right here, but that's okay. And you have 2-position memory seats. So yeah, these things are ready to hit the road at all times. Let's go and take a look at this infotainment screen real quick. Y'all hang tight. All right, so here is the infotainment screen real quick. So you do have a specific menu option for the hybrid mode right here. Gives you all of the different what they call the power flow. I like how that's a cool little display here. Right here is your control system, and then over here your different settings for everything. Really nice touches there. You can turn down the brightness on the screen here. Real nice touches right there. You have your profile, then you have your safety and driving system. So you have automatic emergency braking. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see if I can bring the camera down to a good spot. You got lane sense, you got park sense, rear park sense volume, rear park sense braking assist. You got blind spot alert, and then you have hill start assist, which is really nice, especially up here in North Florida where I'm at. You know, a lot of hills, including the entrance to where I live here. Nice little hill, but this will keep it from rolling back. There's your hybrid electric system menu. All kind of nice touches. We'll go back to the home menu. You can get your stereo system stuff in here, and you also have your air conditioning controls and all that stuff. So one thing I like about this screen here, you got your air conditioning controls here, and then you also have hard buttons here, which is real nice. Okay, so it does have heated seats up here in the front, a heated steering wheel, so that's a nice touch. Here's your phone stuff right here, trying to connect to different phones. Here is, once again, your drive stuff here, and then here's all your different apps and stuff like that, which is very nice touch there. All kind of good stuff. The Uconnect system is very, very quick. Nice touches all the way around. There's your hybrid stuff, passenger heated steering wheel, all that stuff in the screen. There's Android Auto. Nice, nice, nice. Trying to give you
already at the church, so he
view
said he
of
wasn't
it.
coming home, and I said,
Oops. So it connected to the Bluetooth. So we got that turned off. Sorry about that, family. But anyway, here's the layout once again of the interior. Nice touches all the way around. We're gonna hop in the back seat real quick, go over all that stuff back there, and keep it moving. Let's roll. Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. All right, so we about to hop into the second row. Go over some of the features back here real quick. Y'all hang tight. You do have power slide doors here on the side. You can open them up from inside right here. Once again, full LED lighting, as y'all can see. Look how bright those headlights are, those LED headlights. Nice touches, plenty of leg room back here, as you can see. You do have some charging ports on the back of these leather wrapped seats. Very nice, it's very spacious. So up top, let's check these out real quick. You got the LED lighting, you got your air conditioning vents up here on the top, which is always a nice touch. Got a pull handle right there. You got speakers. I wonder if I can get that in there. There it is. Okay, I was looking for it. There is some speakers up in the ceiling right there. Nice touches, very spacious. You do have your air conditioning controls that you can get to right here for the rear, which is nice touches. Another pull handle right here. Once again, these leather seating surfaces are very nice on the second row as well. I love the black leather in here. Once again, that contrast, the black seats with the two-tone dash cover up there. Nice touches. So you have this black with the gray. Very nice touches. Plenty of room back here. I love this center pass through for the kiddos or whoever you need to get in the third row. These second row seats do recline, and you can also pull them forward and all that stuff for easy entry and exit. More room for the back, and very nice touches. Let's hop in the third row, check it out. All right, so hashtag JRideReviews made it to the third row. Once again, plenty of leg room. I got my flip-flops on, doing a little random nighttime review of this interior. Just wanted to really do this interior. It's really cool looking. We got black leather seating surfaces back here as well. Nice touches. Once again, LED lighting, more air conditioning vents. Got a cup holder and a little storage area, looks like for a cell phone, which is nice on the left side. We come over here to the right side, dual cup holders over here, nice little cubby for a cell phone or candy or whatever you use this vehicle for. It has it. Very, very ergonomic in here. Easy touches all the way around. I'm gonna sit behind the second row and give y'all a leg room test with that. So there's my legs right there, 6'1", tall, slim, long legs. Plenty of leg room even at the third row. So, you know, this is a multi-dimensional vehicle for your family, for your real estate company, for your ride share. I remember we were down in Tampa at my girlfriend's family's, one of her cousin, shout out Jason and Vera. They got married, and we rode a Uber after the wedding because we had a pretty good time at the wedding, if you know what I mean. And so we got an Uber, my girlfriend, her brother, and myself. We got an Uber down to a hotel in Tampa that we were doing a little rooftop after party, if you want to call it. And I remember the Uber lady driver, she had one of these, and I was just very impressed at that point with the room. She had some good jams going on. So what I'm saying to justify my story is that these are good for ride share as well. And I would say like a realtor if you got to take your clients around. So yeah, just wanted to once again give y'all a nighttime point of view. Look at these vans. So there's the cargo area back there. I'm gonna get back there, open it up, let y'all see that here in a second as well. Y'all hang tight as I try to get up out of here. Thanks for watching so far. Remember, man, join the hashtag JRideReviews family. Many vehicles to come this year. Many vehicles that I've done in the past. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button so the algorithm picks up my videos. And remember to hit the notifications to all so you can see all my videos when I put them out, including this one. Y'all hang tight. Thanks for watching. Power lift gate. As y'all can see, these seats here are easily foldable. Just pull on these little handles right here. They fold forward, fold flat into the floor because you actually can see there's a nice little storage cubby down in the floor. So nice touches all the way around. You know, rentals, they get beat up pretty good. I can see a couple loose panels and the carpet down there, but it is what it is. They still work, they're still functional. Here is the button to let down the tailgate. You have storage cubby here, a couple of things in there. Then down here, another storage cubby right there. There's the battery underneath that piece right there. And then once again, like I said, these seats will fold all the way forward into the floor, which is nice. Give you a nice flat level cargo area. Here's the view from all the way in the back. You do have tethers here hanging from the ceiling for the baby seats and all that stuff. Your seat belts for the third row. Nice touches right there. Like I said, this is how we roll. And then you press the button to let it down and back up quickly. So there's the tailgate going down. Once again, you got the LED bar all the way across the back right now, back there for the brake lights and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna come around here to the front and let y'all see these LED lights from the front. I turned the fog lights off, but they're super bright, as you can see. Nice touches, right? And those LED lights are very bright. LED daytime running light, LED headlights. And just like that, my friends, this one's a wrap. Just wanted to let y'all check out the Chrysler Pacifica interior at night. Hashtag JRideReviews, car reviews, and more. Y'all stay tuned. Join the family, like I said earlier. More epic reviews to come. Thanks for watching. And this is the interior lights. After you lock everything up, the lights stay on the instrumentation for a little bit after you lock the doors up, which is a nice touch. I'm outside of it right now.